Shout outs to all the movie fans out there. Yeah, well, today I'll be sharing something very interesting with us. I believe most of us have media files just lying somewhere there on our computer. We have videos, we have audio files, we have music videos, we have series. Now there's one way you can organize all that. It's possible to set up your own media server at home, especially when you have several devices in your home. Yeah, you can put all of them in a media server. And actually, there are three ways of doing this. You can either use an old computer that you have laying around, or you can have a true NAS device, or you can even have a mini computer, like maybe a Raspberry Pi or something else, an Orange Pi that uses less power, about 5 volts. So you just have to set it up and then leave it on the network. And the beauty of it is you're able to access it either within your network locally or through the internet securely. So the only thing you have to do is to set it up. So you could be wondering how you can set it up. So let's just dive right into it. So what you'll do, first of all, we need to get Plex Media Server downloaded. So I'll open a browser and go to plex.tv. Yep. So you could be wondering, a media server, it's not like you have to spend a lot of money to buy a server. No. I think you could be having a desktop computer lying around that you don't really use. We can transform it and turn it into a Plex Media Server. So here is Plex. As you can see, they offer free movies and TV as well. They also have live TV. So we'll go right to the downloads. So when I go to the downloads, I'll select Plex Media Server. So it's fetching the latest downloads for Plex. So you realize that Plex is a cross-platform application. It runs on a number of operating systems. It can even run on Docker, so you don't have to worry. Oops. That's a hitch. Wow, there we go. So as you can see, it runs on FreeBSD, Linux, Mac, Windows. It will also run on a NAS device. You can even see Docker is supported. So since I already have it, I won't download it, but you can download it. Yeah, since I already have it, we're going to jump right into the installation. So there we are. Wow, so here we go. Next. Okay, I'll leave it in the default installation location. Yeah, Plex, that's okay. Continue. So install. It will take a few minutes. So for this particular tutorial, I'm going to install it on my computer, and then we'll be able to access it over the network on a TV. Yes, preferably a smart TV. So we are done with the installation. So it immediately runs Plex. So we're going to open it. I prefer to have it in Chrome. So you can see the IP, it's local. So the server is hosted on our computer. So when you install the server, you can also install client applications on different computers. So I had already installed mine. That's why you can see I already have movies. But it's really simple. When you install, you're going to have to set this up. I'll go to settings. That's the name of my media server. So from here you're able to add libraries. So depending on what you want to add, maybe photos, movies, shows, or music. When you select this, for instance, you're able to specify the folder. You can give it a name and then select the folder where the files are, and then it will sync. It's not a must that you go premium, but if you wanted to, yes, it's possible. Yeah, so this is the server itself. So on my TV, I just have to install Plex and then log in with my account. You have to create a free account that you link to your server. So then you're also able to create other accounts for different users. I will talk about that in a different video. Yes. For now, you can have a glimpse of this. For instance, the live TV. Yes. So you see, I uploaded some audio files. So that's it in a nutshell. It's very simple to use, and you also realize that once you have your video files, it automatically picks their metadata. Like this, it will describe a movie and all the information about it. You're also able to add your subtitles. It practically picks most video formats and anything you throw at it. So that's Plex for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.